Hi, I'm Cora. I'm Dr. Jodi's patient. Not that I came to look for him, but I became like an accidental patient through my son. But seeing how he's treating my son, I got very encouraged to entrust my life, my concerns, my health concerns with Dr. Jodi. I knew there's something like not right in my body. I felt I need checkup, and I couldn't get myself to go to just any doctor. But seeing how he works, I said, why don't you look at me too? We went through diagnosis, and while talking to him, it got him worried when I said I have these problems during sleep, that sometimes I wake up, but consciously I know I'm awake, but I couldn't move. I couldn't, I struggled to wake up. And that got him worried about me, because that's really serious, that you can go to coma, you can go to this kind of lack of oxygen in your head. And through several tests, he's able to tell me that that's exactly what is happening to me. I don't have enough oxygen pumping into my brain, that if I carried on with doing, not being treated, then I could turn into, it can get worse. I had this kind of symptoms, like I get tired so easily, I have no energy, and I remember I multitask, and I'll be short of breath, and it's like, what's wrong with you, Cora? Like my sister would say, you sort of short of breath. I said, I know I don't have heart disease. I said, it's not coming from the heart. But seeing Dr. Jodi is it's simple. You don't have enough oxygen pumping into your head, Cora. So your lungs are weak. It's like, what's weak? What's weak lungs? You don't have, he's not able to pump enough. But after seeing him the first time and teaching me some breathing exercises, how to make my lungs work, it tremendously has helped me. I couldn't say more than enough how lucky I am, me and my son, to have met him and be treated this way. Because it's sort of like it gave us more freedom and more in control of our life. Whenever I go to the doctors, I ask them questions. I always do. I inquire on what they do and what, why and how. Like for my son especially before, and for me, but I've seen a few doctors, but I always ask wanting to know. But Dr. Jodi is absolute with his knowledge, with his explanation, and he's spot on. He's spot on. I think he's a genius. He's a genius with this, I was telling my friend actually, I just walk and he can spot on, pinpoint exactly where the spot you have a problem. I was like, wow. I cannot believe it. I was telling my friends, it's like, wow. I haven't seen a doctor like him. So, it is something. It's a jewel. It's something that money can't buy. If there's an investment that I would put my money in is my health, and it's with Dr. Jodi. And I truly believe Dr. Jodi is a gift. It's a gift to humankind. I think, and I honestly believe, it's a missing link to long life barring accidents, because I could not see anything, or cannot fault it in any way, shape or form. I just can't. For those out there who's feeling ill or sick and been suffering, don't waste any moment anymore. Just come talk to Dr. Jodi. You have to have to give it a chance.